Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable or disable ignore touch input when using pen on your Windows 10 PC. In case you use a stylus or pen, you can disable or ignore hand touch while using pen or a stylus on your Windows 10 PC. For that, you can use built-in settings app. So let me start without any delay. First, click on this one, a start button, and then select settings icon or press Windows plus I key on your keyboard to open this one settings app. Then click on this one devices option. Then here select pen and Windows ink option. Then click on this one option. Ignore touch input when I am using pen. This will disable touch input, hand touch input when you will check this option. And if you want to enable hand touch also when you use a stylus or pen, just uncheck this one option. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe to this channel, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.